One day, he went to the forest in search of prey. Even until evening, he couldn't find anything. Unhappy, he turned back towards his house. Just then, he saw a falcon resting on a tree. There was no limit to his happiness. He quickly prepared his net and caught the falcon. When the happy hunter was walking towards his house, the falcon asked him softly, "Hunter, will you kill me?" Hearing this, the hunter was surprised. The falcon got very scared and his heart sank. After walking for a while, the hunter felt tired. He stopped by a river, put the net on the ground, and went to drink some water. Noticing this, the falcon said, "Listen, hunter, I know my life is about to end, but before I die, I want to give you a lesson." The hunter could not understand and ignored him, lying down by the riverbank. After a while, the falcon spoke again. "If I give you something more valuable than my life, will you let me go?" The hunter asked, "What can you give me?" The falcon said, "A secret diamond hidden deep in the forest. If you let me free, I will tell you where it is. That diamond will make you rich, and you will never have to hunt again." Hearing this, the hunter became greedy. He quickly freed the falcon, hoping to get the diamond. But as soon as the falcon came out of the net, he flew to a high branch of a tree. From there, he said, "Hunter, I only wanted to teach you a lesson. Never believe anyone without proof. And if you make a mistake, don't just regret it, learn from it and be alert in the future." Saying this, the falcon spread his wings and flew away into the open sky. The hunter stood there shocked, realizing his mistake. Moral of the story: we should never trust anyone without proof. And if we make a mistake, we must learn from it instead of only regretting it.